Now to switch gears for a moment, we're going to play with audio for a sec. So we want to take the microphone input, do some stuff to it, and then output it through the speaker. And it's pretty much as simple as that. So we'll drag in the microphone. We'll drag out the audio output and use a pitch shifter. And if you look at the little tooltip, it tells you that it goes from -12 to make a low pitch to +12 to make a higher pitch, with 0 being no change. So in this case, we're just going to lower the voice a little bit as if we're freezing to death and our body is slowly shutting down. And so maybe we'll have a lower voice because of that. So let's try something like -6 and see how low that goes. And now we need somewhere for this audio to go. So we just right click out here and add a speaker. And inside of this speaker, we just need to grab this little audio patch dot and then plug it in. And I don't think you can test this inside of Spark AR, so I need to ship it out to Instagram. Hello, hello, I'm a frosty boy.
Hello, hello, I'm a frosty boy.
Sounds pretty frosty to me. So just with that one little patch, you can adjust the pitch down or up. So it's a really easy way to make a filter a little bit more engaging and surprising, really. Not a lot of people are using this, so be the first.